Hello.
Just
Good
a
evening,
minute,
sir.
sir. Just a minute.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have doubt regarding sir in that activity question sir, and one in graded assignment, sir. Both are almost similar.
Okay. So we'll do
Sir.
it after this session. I'm on. Tell me.
Sir, activity 5.6, question number 3.
Okay. And now I don't think so. I will be able to answer. What is the question? Read.
Sir, the given answer right there is true, but my answer is like false because thinking is not a palindrome, right? Thinking word is not a palindrome. So the answer should be false.
Which one you are talking about?
Same, sir.
Activity number 5.6, question number 3. There is if the answer is true, then it should be like length is greater than 2, then it's true. But if the length is greater than or equal to 2, then it becomes true. No, it becomes false again.
So I have done. I think I have explained this one. So for some of the conditions, some of the
Yes, sir. Sir, actually here at least one pair following the rule of palindrome. So that's why
I just check. Who is having doubt this one?
Sir, if it's true for I, then N and K it becomes always false.
Pratish.
Yes, sir.
Did you actually go through the each word by word? Each letter by letter of this?
Yes, sir. I went through. So when it came.
Okay. So when you will reach to I, and from the last also it will be I. So from first, second, and third position it is I, and
Yes.
from the backward also 1, 2, and 3. Third position is I. For that condition it will return true. Can you check that one?
Yes, sir. For that it's true, but after it, the value N and K, it becomes false again, right?
No. So that is the doubt. So once it enters, do you think further it will execute?
But sir, the condition is while the length is greater than or equal to 2.
No. So I think you have not attended most of the live session what I have taken.
So I was having some Wi-Fi issues.
Okay. So but you can still watch on the YouTube, no?
So,
yeah, I am trying my best to cope up with it.
Okay.
This is my same doubt, sir.
Explain it in short.
Yeah,
and I have listened your old videos, sir. But here the same. This is my same doubt, sir. Sir, when written true, like once it's written true, because then we will come out of this loop.
Not loop. Procedure. Return is for procedure, not for the loop. Agree? Return is for the procedure, not for the loop. For the loop, generally we use exit loop. Maybe we will read in next week or something. But return is for the procedure. Do you think we use return for the loop?
Yes, sir. It's for procedure. Like it will be the last value what we'll get from after execution of all procedure.
Once we come to I, no?
Yes, sir.
From the backward I, for that condition element ELE1 will be equal to ELE2. At that time it will return true, or from there it will come out from this procedure, do something. It will not read further in K. Understand?
Why, sir?
Because that is the working procedure of any procedure. No, once it becoming returned, it will just come out from the procedure itself. This is the working thing. Means how
so sir, the return statement ends the code, right?
Yes. Without reading the further letters of this thinking. Once it comes true, once it comes to here, as it will read, it will come out.
Actually, in earlier code, return is usually in the last, but in this code, it comes upper.
Hey guys, those who are not talking, please mute. Okay. Okay, so now it is clear. Means once it coming to the any return at any stage, it will just return from there itself. It will not read the further remaining thing. Okay, that is the working thing of any procedure.
Okay, so like point is that return terminates the loop.
Yes.
Thanks.
No, so again, not the loop. Correct yourself. It will read this stop the procedure.
It will end the procedure.
Return always executes only once. in a procedure.
Yeah. Yes. While for exiting, for terminating the loop, generally what we do, exit loop. I think in week 6 it is
Yes,
there.
sir. Yes, sir. It's there in week
Yeah.
6.
So for that is the difference between exit and return. So exit is for the this guy. Let me say it, if let's say if it exit loop, so it will come out from this parent loop. So this is actually the parent. If it's not a loop, no, I will take, I will talk these things in week 6. Okay, don't confuse. But
Yes.
for the timing, just if return is coming for
If
any,
is a condition, right?
yeah, it's a one-time execution.
Yes, sir. Sir, exit loop actually is helpful for very unnecessary iteration.
But just we want to check you something. So that is the thing we have to use. You simply say that this will be not a palindrome, then it will return false. But for one of the condition, because this is not checking that one. Understand? Okay, chalo. Okay, then I think I should start the session now.
Sir, I have the doubt in question number 2 above it, that palindrome one.
What is your problem?
So the answer, I think the answer would be W is not a palindrome.
Will return true if no, it's correct. You just check yourself. What do you think, others? What do you think?
What is the question, sir?
What's your name?
Palindrome.
What's your name? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who is having doubt in this?
Sami, Ame.
Ame. Okay, so I will talk this one in after session, no? Because this is for the solve with instructor session. So be with the session. Once that I finish the solve with instructor session, I will take you down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo then. Okay. So this is the how many? 25. How many are there? 71. So please join. Go to joinpd.com and enter the code AUXVOA. Make it fast, please. Still 29. Please join fast. I will give. So it's already 18. Fast. Yeah, make it fast, guys. So I can see 70 students and 43 actually. Please go to joinpd.com and enter the code AUXVOA. The same thing. Don't talk in between. I will, if you have doubt, I will just raise your hand. I will call your name according to the sequence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Good to start. Still, like have I think if I leave myself and host, there are 68 students and only 50 have joined. Please join, no? Okay, chalo. I'm going to start the class. Chalo. So this is your first question. I can give you for this 2 minutes. Okay, you can enter your responses. Okay, and don't talk in between. Chalo. This is MSQ question. Okay.
Sir, option C is a list can be appended to the list N.
Yes, these are the options. What is wrong with that?
It's appeared.
Oh, sorry. Appended. It should be appended. Yeah.
Sir, for appeared word, it is also, we can derive also.
That is also okay. I think a list can be
Because
appeared
a
to a list.
list can be within a list also.
Yeah. So that is also, yeah, that can be also true. I don't know what is but whatever you think, you do. Who had doubt that should be for a moment I also felt that it should be appended. Okay. Chalo. Who had doubt in this? It should be appeared. Sorry, appended.
So myself, but I think that's not the right word to use for whatever somebody told. It can't, I mean, if it is a list within a list, then the word should be a little different, is what I feel. Because the option doesn't convey what actually.
Yeah, inside you are saying. A list can be appeared.
That's not the right word to use if you're intending to say that it's a list within a list.
Yeah, true. But you are able to understand now what it is saying.
Yeah, got it.
Sir, I have a doubt. Should I ask it now or later?
Later.
Okay, sir.
I think only 2 has entered. How many have? 46 have entered your response. Make it first, last 27. I just keep.
Sir, how enter the response?
And go to joinpt.com and enter this code AUXVOA.
I have entered the options and after the writing the answers, where I have to submit.
No need to submit. Okay, chalo, time is up. Okay, what are the options? AC, B, AC, ACD, ACD, AC, AC. Okay. According to me,
C and D.
C and D.
Sir, how come E is the right answer?
I tell you, but this is.
I don't understand member part for the D also.
Okay, so how many have problem in all the elements in L must be of same data type?
Me, sir.
No,
so
sir.
if did you watch the last lecture of week 1? There sir has maybe or may not, where he was talking about summary slides in GB sir. It can have other data type also. I mean, the elements.
Yes, different.
Yeah.
But sir, usually
It's okay. Usually it's okay. Generally we do not mix up. It's fine, but it can have. What we have studied in week 1. Okay. We need to, so anybody is having doubt in A, so it can look like this. So L can look like this also. So 1 comma, so sequence number comma his name Mahesh. It can have. Okay. And what text? Yeah. So all integer, string, character. No, it can have like this also.
Yes, sir.
Then next we have, what is that? Init of L returns. So this is false, no?
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes, sir.
Init of L returns a single element. How many? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
What about others?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. A list can be appeared to a list. So that is Lakshmi was saying that it can be phrased in a different way. A list can be written inside a list. So that is, we are talking about list of list.
List of list.
Yes, sir.
L1 something will be okay. 1 comma 1, 2. So this is nothing but list of list. Okay. Then we have for any value x, member of L comma x returns x if x is a name. This is wrong statement.
Why, sir?
Yes, sir.
What it will return?
Does it always return Boolean value?
Boolean value. So member, if I write
Oh,
L comma 0, what it will return? What it will return?
No.
Huh?
True or false?
True.
True, sir.
It will not return the value, no? Means the element. It will,
yes,
if I
sir.
if I write this way, L1 comma 1, what it will return? Sorry, what it will return?
False.
Again, true, sir.
Oh, no.
False.
True,
False
true,
or true?
true.
True, sir.
How many are
False.
Okay,
False,
wait,
sir.
wait,
True.
wait.
False.
False. False,
Wait,
sir.
wait.
False, sir.
False.
Wait. How many are with me? How many are saying true?
No, sir. False.
No. I want to know who are saying no. Means just I am with you. I am also saying it will be true. How many are saying true? How many are with me actually? No
Nobody.
one?
No, sir.
Earlier, so many were with me. Now everybody left. No?
No.
No, sir. Actually,
No.
numbers are increasing.
What about now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now true.
Now it's true, sir. Now it's true.
What
Now
about
it's true.
now?
Again, true, sir.
True, sir. True,
True,
sir.
sir.
True.
Chalo. Next we have length of init L is equal to length of rest of L. How many have doubt in this?
I have.
No doubt.
Init means what it will do. If I write here,
Remove the last and keep the rest.
chalo. Init of, what is that? Length of, no? Init of L.
Yes, sir.
L will be what? And
L minus last term.
the rest of L. Init of L will be what?
L minus last term.
0 and
The length.
Oh,
The
okay,
length
okay.
of this will be L minus 1. Length
Two
of
and
L minus
Mahesh.
1.
This will be the value, no?
Right.
And rest will be this guy. How many are saying with this? And now length. Length of L will be 2. Sorry. Length of meter.
2.
Meter of L will be what?
2.
Same thing for this one also. No?
Length of rest of L is also 2. So
Okay, no? Because it just ignores the one of the elements.
But sir, like if we have different ones, if I have the more elements in L and L1, then how it comes true?
L1 and L2. How can you give
Like
more?
if I have L1, L is like instead of 3 we have 5 elements and L1 has 2 elements. Then
So like if L2 is a
This is
subset of
constant.
L1, then
L
she's
we are
asking, I
writing,
think.
no?
least is
It is.
constant. Least
We are not
constant.
writing
It
L1,
is asking for only L.
L
not-
only.
got it. Right, that's why I did mistake. Got it.
Length of L1 will be what?
2.
2, sir.
Okay.
2.
Length of what it will be? Raise. Okay.
Init of L.
Rest of L1.
Rest of L1. 1, sir?
1, sir.
1.
What do you think?
1.
1.
1, sir.
1.
Agree, no? Because this rest of L1 will be what? This guy only. No?
Only 1, 2. Least 1, 2.
Anna, it will be written like this also.
The length of a list is actually always less than 1 of that actual length of that list.
Just interesting. So this will be. I didn't hear. Just give me a second.
Okay.
So this will be 1, comma
2.
2. This is there, no? So this will be what? 1, no? What did you say? What did you say? Can you repeat?
Sir, I asked that the length of init of L or the length of rest of L will always 1 less than the length of L, is it?
Yes. Yeah, obviously.
But if a list is of length 1 and 0, 1 or 0, then
Which one?
the
Which
length
one?
of, suppose
Okay.
you take a list where it's an empty list,
Okay.
and you also take a list where it's a list having 1 element, then the length of init or rest will always be 0, na?
Yeah, so the here is exception.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here is exception, not always. Nice. Yeah, here it will be exception. So for this one, it will work. It will be 0 if you do rest of. So here rest of L will be what?
Empty.
Okay, let me change the name actually. Just this will be empty. So length will be what?
Length should be 0.
Okay, guys, how many are with me still?
0.
Yeah, correct, no?
Yep.
Yes,
So C
but
and
we cannot find the first and last of a list having empty list. I mean,
yeah, that
zero
is
list.
that is not defined according to the code what we have.
That's why the length is 0.
Yeah, this is also 0. But for this guy, let me copy and paste. Control C. Hey guys, how many? Is it boring? This one.
I didn't
No,
get it.
sir.
What you were told.
So this will be
Will be 0.
0 only, no? Because rest
Yes.
of M will be also give empty list. You can.
Yes, sir.
So this will
Actually,
be.
it's discussed in that tutorial video.
Yeah. Watch that tutorial actually. Those who have doubt, without looking, if you are without watching the lecture, if you are coming, obviously you will have issue. Okay, na? And this session is for what? Solve with instructor. I'm just giving little bit time to explain. Okay, I have to move, otherwise my session will not. Chalo. ठीक है?
Sir, sir, the example you said the length of rest. Member example. The member example you have given including L1 also. Please explain one.
This one.
L1 is that is L1 is also the member of the list.
Yeah.
I want to know.
This is list of list.
Okay.
Inside list.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Like if anyone asks that, if it like how many members in L1, then like you wrote there length of 1, 2, so there will be 1 or
yeah, length of L1 will be what?
length
2.
2, no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, everybody is getting what I'm trying to say. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo then. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, L1, how do I add another list? I want to add 1, 2, 3.
Okay, what do you want to add? So these basic things, did you watch any one of the lecture? That's what I have taken. So on demand session and I think open session I have. Okay. So what do you want to add in this? Tell me.
I want to add another list 1, 2, 3.
So you have another list which is L2, and you want to add what?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Chalo, so these things are basic things. You should watch that lecture. No, this is actually what guys tell me now.
I think add is a wrong word.
No, append. Yeah, you should not say add, but generally you should say append. Yeah. So
Yes,
guys, what it will be?
1.
Singleton 1. Singleton
It's
list
L2
in
will
bracket
insert.
1,
L1.
1,
2,
1, 2,
and
and 1, 2.
within
and
bracket
1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
3. Within bracket, sir.
Within
No,
brackets.
So
No,
no,
I
I
don't
don't
think
want
so.
this.
Why
I
within
want a
bracket?
list. I want a list
It's
1, 2,
correct,
3.
sir.
what?
Within brackets.
No, no,
Sir,
no.
sir,
No, no, Why
sir,
within
this
bracket?
Remain in like
It's
that only.
correct, sir.
Senator,
It's correct.
Senator.
What do you want to
Yes,
do?
sir. You
No,
are
no, I
correct.
want it to be a list. I want to add like a list of lists. Okay.
Now it's
Because the other one I know that's a basic operation. I mean,
Okay.
Yes.
so if I enclose within
Hmm.
braces, then it becomes a list.
Yeah. Chalo. Okay
Sir,
then.
below MN, you have written rest of L, the rest of N, na?
Where?
Below MN, you
Ha
have.
ha ha. Yeah. So this one, which one I have written? So this is
Actually,
N
it
actually.
is
It is written
N.
for N. Yeah.
and yeah.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है.
So all three are written for N, na? Rest of N and.
This one. Yeah.
Ah,
चलो.
सर इसमें क्वेरी थी मेरी.
हाँ.
सर ये अपने L1 में ब्रैकेट नहीं लगाया, L2 में लगाया है.
हाँ. So she wanted to append as a list. That's why. So this one, if you put one more, so it will be like one element. This whole will be for this queue. Understand? So okay. So if you do like this, so see how much time am I going in this site, and people might be angry with me. These are already done, and people are not coming to the session, regular session. Okay, so this will what you do. So you have already list this guy. Can you see this? Control C, and inside you have written this one. Hannah. This is appended to this. So, and this is guy. Control C. So this will look like. So what you have to do, just remove this bracket, and this bracket will be appended. So it will look like this. Control C, comma, this guy, whole guy. Control C, Control V. So how many elements? Just write some different. So R will have how many elements, guys? One more, it should be here, no?
So after 1, 2, there is
sir,
a one
yes, sir.
extra
One more
bracket.
bracket.
Where is
Yes,
extra?
sir.
Now it's
Outer
settled.
bracket.
1, 2, 1, 2. After 1, 2.
After 1, 2 is
No,
correct.
outer
No?
bracket.
So this is closing bracket. This is now agree, no? So this is one element. This whole thing is one element.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Chalo.
Okay,
So
okay.
length of R is
Got
what?
it.
Length of R
2,
is
sir.
2, no?
Yes, sir.
Length of R is 2. Okay, so those who have doubt in this, please go and watch on-demand session. That link I have already shared on what is that, Telegram, no? And what about open session, that YouTube video is there. Chalo, I'm moving to the question. Chalo, ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
So next we have, yeah. So for this one, I am giving 2 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Don't talk in between. Okay. And I will talk after just 2 minutes. Please take your time, read whatever. So I just explained. So consider the procedure, do something. You have one procedure given here in which A is this one. I'm given as a list. Then what will be the value of B, which is the return value of procedure do something, which input as a A. A is a parameter, and here you have this argument. So do whatever you wanted to do, but return will be, where is return? Return is out list, and out list will be stored in B. So you have to find the value of B. Chalo. Guys, time is up. Do you want more time, guys?
No, sir. Done.
Done.
Done,
Yes.
na?
Done.
But still
No, sir,
like
done.
33 responses. So I give another 20 second more. Okay, chalo. Hello. Are you done, guys?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Still, I see 53 responses out of 70. And why people have not joined? I can see 86 join, 84 joinees are there. I can see 71. Who are the guys? Please tell me what is your problem? I mean, I wanted to understand why you are not joining. You don't want to solve with us. If you solve, no, you will get some confidence. What is there to? Guys,
Sir, your voice is too low.
okay. Just let me increase the voice. What about now?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
sir.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Chalo. Okay, so I can see only 55 responses out of 71, and I have three different data. I have 83 joinees. Out of that, 72 have joined, and on that 55 has only answered. Okay, let me see the response. Okay, C, D, O, D, C, 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 D, 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 D. Okay, most of the guys are D, B, C, D. Oh, this is not MSQ. Okay, D. Okay, according to me, also looks like D is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many have doubt in this?
no, sir.
Me, sir.
It's easy question, sir.
Sarvendo, it's good. How everybody?
My
Yeah.
doubt is how for it says that only one, right?
What only one?
Actually, outlist plus of x. So
Correct.
outlist first element is 3 and next element is 1. So 1 is not equal to x. Okay.
X is variable here. First of A is constant here.
Okay, first of a constant. Okay, I'm sorry, sir.
So X, you are going through each and every element of rest of A. Okay. So what it will do, it will actually go through the all elements, but whenever this 3 is coming, no,
Yes,
that will be
discarded. That will be discarded.
yes. So if it is appeared twice, so it will be discarded, but it will keep
But
all the elements.
all the element, that is 4. We can repeat the 4, the element.
Yeah, because it is just checking for the first of A. So see, I just explain for others, like those who do not want to join but still wanted to be in the session. For them, like they are thinking that this is very tough. I don't know. Maybe they are known to these things. They are having good concept in this. Okay, so what we do? Procedure is there. Out list will be what?
First of it, that is 3.
Okay, first of it. So it will be I just give you little glimpse of that one. My screen is visual. This one.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is question 2, and what we are doing. Okay, I should move to the next page. That will be better. ठीक है ना? चलो. So as you go inside, out list will be what?
First day.
3.
Out list will be 3. ठीक है ना? Because
Yes,
first
sir.
of A is there. Now
Yes, sir.
for each x of rest of A. So x will start from where? So first of all, you have to find the like rest of.
One.
So
One.
rest of
starting from 1.
yeah.
Remove 3.
Yeah. So these things 1, 4, 5,
5, 4, 3, 9.
let me write. No? So people are getting what I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then I will, then I will
Yes, sir.
Oh.
see rest of a will be this, no? 1, 4.
Yes, sir.
5, 4, 3, 9.
3,
Yes,
9.
sir. Correct. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many have doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
Everybody is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo then. We are going here, and as you go here, for each x in rest of a. So rest of a is this. So as you go first time inside, what is the value of x you have?
3.
1.
1 or
1.
1.
1.
1.
Now inside, if you, what you will check, x is not equal.
Not equal to first of all.
So x is what you have? 1.
3 not equal to 1.
Is not equal to
3.
3.
First of a is what?
3.
3.
3.
3, no?
Yes, sir.
True or false condition?
False.
True.
True condition.
True condition,
Two
sir.
conditions.
True, sir.
How many are saying this is true or false?
True.
Sir,
True,
this is
sir.
true, sir.
True.
Condition, sir.
Now random guy. Vijay. Now people will leave the session. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Vijay Venkatesh, no? I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What do you think? This is true or false statement?
Sir, this is true, sir.
True. Okay. One more. Zafar Khan, no? Zafar Khan. It's true or false? Zafar.
Yes, sir. It's true.
True, no? Chalo. So since this is true, obviously 1 is not equal to 3. It's true, no? So it will go inside, and what it will do? Outlist. Those who are not talking, no, please mute, no?
So it will add 1. Append 1.
And x. Okay, so please mute yourself. If I will. Okay. So what it will be? Outlist initially what you had? 3 plus 1. So it will be what?
3, 1.
3, 1.
Any doubt?
So 3,
Sir, 3, 1.
So 3,
Okay. Okay, so that's why you should be attentive. I can do mistakes. Chalo.
Sir, here 1 will not come with a bracket.
Okay, so what's your name?
Avnish.
Avnish. So what we have, x is what? Element or what? Element, no? You have to.
Yes.
So what we generally do, we just one bracket generally we remove, and then we append. If you writing like this inside 2 bracket, then because see, 1 you cannot append to a list, no? You have to make it of the same category. So first you make a list, and then you are appending. You cannot write like this. This had no essence. If you write only x here, no? So like if it will be only x here, so obviously you will write value of x. So it will be not added. It will be not appended. Why? Because this is the list and this is an element. To append, you have to make it in same category. So same category means list. You have to convert into list because x is the element, no?
Yes, sir.
An integer. Chalo, ठीक है? Now this is calculating. See, people see what happened when I started explaining. People have this much doubt. So earlier people were saying whatever they have understood is incorrect, all are wrong. Okay, tell me. What's your
Sir, line number 3, x is equal to 1. How we
see?
X is equal to 1 line.
So see, for each x in rest of a. So rest of a is what? This guy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, because
yes, sir.
So what is the first element as you go in this loop? For each as a loop, as you go first time, what will be the value of x? You will read the first element.
Yes.
First element is what?
1.
1. That's why x is 1. Now,
okay.
Now we have appended this one. Now you come here, and this is the closing bracket of this for each loop. As you go and check, yeah, obviously there are more elements in rest of it. So as you go for the second iteration, x will be what? You will read the next element. Next element of rest of a is what?
4.
5, 4, 3, 9.
Next element.
4.
So again you will check if this guy, if 4 is not equal to
3.
Not equal to 3.
3. It is true or false?
True.
True. Again it will go inside, and out list will be what?
Appended with 4.
Out list will be, I am writing direct. So 3,
3, 1, 4.
1, 4.
So this will, so when it will come for 3, so you have done all the things, and when you will reach to x, so before reaching to x is equal to 3, what do you think x will be, L will, out list will be?
Outlist will be, sir.
Out list will be, tell me. So 3, 1,
1,
4, 5,
3, 1,
4,
4, 5, 4.
5, 4.
5, no?
Yes, sir.
5,
5,
4, 5.
5, 4.
That's it.
Okay, na? Now you have reached
Yes.
to the 3, and what you will do, again you will check, and this guy, if x is, so 3, x is what? Sorry,
3 equal to 3, it's false.
just give me a second. I should. So if 3 is
Not equal to 9.
First element.
First of is what? 3, no? So this is true or false?
It's false.
Guys,
False.
so it will be, it will go inside?
Yes, sir.
No.
No.
It will not go inside. So for 3, it will not append. For the next 9 element x, it will be append. So the final value of this guy will be, this will be 4,
9.
Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
How many have they were saying earlier, I'm able to understand, but now little bit more clarity in the concept of list.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Chalo, I'm moving to the next question. Okay, so these are the warm-up questions actually. Okay. Now the good questions are coming. Chalo. Yeah. So I just explain what is there. So you have this is the main code, pseudocode, where you have a is equal to create, and create is nothing but one procedure. This is a procedure create, and whatever the value will be returned from here will be stored in A. Agree? This will be happening, no? As you call the create procedure, you have to look at the procedure. I have done written like this because in one line it will be not coming. So I just put it inside the procedure. Any problem? No. So as once you get the value of A, now execute this one and find the value of answer. What will be the value of answer? Okay, chalo. I'm just giving you 3 minutes for this one, and don't talk in between. I'm not going to talk also. If you ask something, if you have any problem in understanding question, just let me know right now.
Sir, what data please?
Data what? I don't data. What is data? Data is not required. Huh? As A will be returned from the procedure. A will store the return value of procedure create.
अच्छा हाँ ठीक
चलो okay, mute guys. Okay, chalo, go. So last 30 seconds, guys. Hello. Is it done or do you want more time?
Sir, done.
Done, sir.
Okay, I can see still 38 responses. Okay, another 10 seconds to enter your responses. Okay, time up, guys. Still 44 responses out of 77. Please enter your response fast, guys.
In the question, the answer, the first letter of answer should be written in small letter, I mean small alphabet.
Oh, it
Because
is only asking alphabet. You are supposed to write alphabets only.
No, sir. Sir, in the code, the answer, that statement answer.
Oh my God. Okay, so you can review our question papers. I think we do a lot of mistakes. Okay, you are hired for that. Okay, deep done.
Okay.
Chalo. So okay, so time up. So how many have 1, 2, 3? You can see 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, most of the guys have 2. So I think 2 should be the correct answer. Yeah. How many have got this one? I think everybody is okay with this.
Sir, actually, answer was A was capital letter. So.
Oh, that is not excuse. I don't.
The question is wrong.
Just.
क्वेश्चन पूरा सर समझ में नहीं आया एक्चुअली
ना इसलिए नहीं
Sir, please explain this one.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So, who are saying? How many are saying that the question is wrong? Capital A and small a.
Now it's okay.
Question is right.
Okay. So my first question: how many have got A? How this one?
Sir,
Yes.
I got
it, sir.
I got.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I didn't got whole, but I understood the pattern, sir.
Okay. Okay. So my question is: how many have not got A? This one.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. Me, sir.
Ashif, Rajiv, others? Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
86.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pranshu Sinha. Pranshu? Pranshu. Pranshu? Am I audible? No? Pranshu? Okay, he doesn't want to speak. Pranjali. Pranjali? Hello? Nobody wanted to talk, actually, I think.
Hello.
Sir, I can talk.
So, okay.
क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं है एक्चुअली.
Okay, so, okay. No. So, how many have got A correct? This one.
I got it.
I got it, sir. I got, sir.
Who have not got, I am explaining for them. So, please mute yourself. Okay? Please mute. Chalo. So, in question, it was saying that you have to calculate the value of answer. Before that, you have to get the value of A, because this whole pseudocode is based on A, and value of A depends on return value of procedure create. So first of all, we have to look at the create, because as you read the first line of this is the main code. So as you read the first line create, you have to look at where is the create written. So create is here. You have to go back and find the value of MS, how it will look like. I do not want to each and every, we have to write from first to last. Just you should understand what is the pattern of A. Okay? So for that, what you can do. So see, initially, as you have called, A is initialized as an empty list. I is 99. Okay? You have two variables, list, and then you have defined as an integer. While I is greater than 0, what is the value of I you have? 99. Greater than 0. It's a true or false condition? It's a true condition.
Yes, sir.
Then it will go inside, and A is equal to A plus plus. So initially it was empty plus 100 minus I. What is the value of I you have currently? 99.
99.
100 minus 99 will be what?
1.
1. A plus plus 1. A is initially empty, so A will be what? 1.
1.
Then as you come here, so I will be decreased or by 1, and it will be 98.
98.
Now if you go, so this is closing bracket of while, you have to make it false to come out of from this loop. No? So you are going to check what is the value of I you have? 98. So 98 is greater than 0.
Yes.
Agree?
Yes.
True statement. It will come inside, and A will be A plus. So what is the value of A you have now? 1 plus 100 minus 98. Will be what? 100 minus 98 will be 2. So 1 plus plus 2. It will be appended 1 and
1, 2.
And I will make it 97. So it will keep going, and when it will come to I is equal to
-1.
I is equal to, when it will come? 0.
1.
No, when I is equal to 1. Okay, so when it will come 1, so 1 for 1 it will be 99. When it will become 0, I is equal to overall. So once it is 1, then you will make it 0, because you have to decrement. So when I is 0, 0 is greater than equal to 0.
Yes, right.
False.
True.
Yes.
It will come, and it will be appended. So 100 minus 0 will be
100.
100.
100 will be appended, because since we have started from 99, as well as it is going to that 0, so it will contain the all 100 elements. Agree, no? If it is 1, then 100 will be not there. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any thought in this? Let me know.
No, sir. No, sir.
I
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Shivang, sir.
Yeah, Shivang. Tell me.
Sir, the plus sign shows addition in a list.
Yes. Addition means appending. Means you are appending the list elements.
Adding on list.
Addition we do not say. Generally we say append. Addition is different. A plus something. This is subtraction. I plus 1 is generally say the addition. This is appending of list.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sure. Okay, then next we had to do with this guy. Now, so how many have understood this part? No, everybody understood this part. Now I am moving to the next, which is the main pseudocode. So I'm just going one by one. Once I explain, I have finished, then you let me know. I will, if I feel that I should be asking to any doubt, then you can speak. Otherwise, just please mute yourself. It creates noise for others. Chalo. So you got the value of a, which is this one. Flag is true. Flag is which type of data type? Okay.
Boolean, sir.
Everybody. So I just want to ask random. Mank.
Yes, sir.
What is flag? Which type of data type? This is flag.
Sir, it is Boolean. It will give answer true or false.
Correct. It can only store true or false. ठीक है ना? Because you have initialized with the true. चलो. X is equal to first of a. What is the value of X you will have? First will be 1.
1.
Everybody agree on this?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
For each in rest of a. So rest of a will be what?
200.
200. Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now we are going. So for the first element of y, as you go, what is the value of y you will have?
2.
And what is the value of x you have?
1.
So 1 is greater than 2. It's a true or false condition?
False.
So this is question number which? This is question number
3.
Question number 3. What I'm saying that when y is equal to 2 and x you have already defined. What is that? X is equal to
1.
First of
A.
Which is
1.
1. So what in this one, what you are doing? If 1 is greater than 2, it's a true or false condition?
False.
It go inside?
No.
No, sir.
Then what you will do? X is equal to, it will not go. So then what you will do? X is equal to
2. Why?
y. What is the value of y?
2.
Now next, y is equal to, what is the value of y you will have?
3.
Next element it will read, no? This one.
Yes.
3.
Yes, sir.
So you will have y is equal to 3. Then again it will, x is what you had in previous iteration. If 2 is greater than 3.
False.
True or false? False. Will it go inside?
No.
Then we will make x is equal to y, 3. So do you think for any value of y, this will be going to be executed, or this
No.
going
No,
to
sir. No, sir.
It will be always false.
because this will be always false, because as in previous value x will be always less than 1 with y. No, always like 1 is greater than 2, then 2 is greater than 2, so always less than it will be. ठीक है ना? So it will be never true for any value of y, which is, what is the value of y will go for? Where was my so y is actually
100.
So just a minute, a rest of, let me write actually, rest of a. Guys, let me know if you are not able to understand. If you able to understand, it's fine, because from here onwards, if you want that,
200.
if you're thinking that if I leave this one, next week will be easy, it's not easy. I'm just telling you frankly, this is the easiest what is that chapter or the concept you have in from week 5 onwards. So week 5 to 9 all are like, if you do not study well this one, you will have problem in upcoming. So that's why please do attention, make attention on these topics. Chalo, so this will be not true for any one of the case. So obviously it will not. Consider this is going for, okay, I will talk this one later. I don't want to confuse this. So as you for each value of this one, y is equal to when it reaches to the 100, still it will be false, because 99 is greater than 100 is a false. It will not come here. Chalo. What then you will come here and answer you have initialized with what is that? 0. Okay, and answer is 0. If flag, what is the value of flag you have?
False.
True. No? So if it is true, where it will go? Here.
Yes.
And answer will be no, please
First
don't.
of rest of
No,
L.
no, wait. I will call some person or some student who will answer. Don't leave the session, please. It's okay. So see how we'll find first of rest of A. Who are my students? I think already left at 3 students. Chalo, koi nahi.
2.
Wait. Ankita Kohli. Ankita? Ankita? Are you able to hear me? Okay. She doesn't want to speak, I think. Akash?
Yes, sir.
What will be the value of this one?
So the rest of it starts from 2, so the first element will be 2 inside brackets.
Okay, so first you will find the value of raised A, raised
Yeah.
of, and then you will find the first A. Yeah, so this
Yeah.
is the strategy you have to follow. If you have so many things like here something you raised or something, so many things are there, you should start for this from here. So raised of A will be what? This guy. Already this guy is, we have already calculated. So this will be the first of, Hannah, and this will
Yeah.
be, what is the first of
2?
This is 2. If I write here something last of, no, obviously do you think this is a valid statement? Because we cannot write, because first of, okay, let me write in others. I think I should not repeat this one. People now able to understand. No, should I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. No, if I write here last, so I don't think so. This will be a correct one. No, this will last of, it is only valid for a list, because but what do you think this will return as a, this guy had returned this one, no? So this
Yes.
is, so last. Hey guys, what I'm writing here, people are able to follow? Means how many are with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is last of. Is it true or false? Means this is valid statement or wrong?
Wrong, sir. Not valid.
Wrong, sir. Wrong, sir.
Yeah. So if it is list, because these functions we have defined only for lists.
List. Yeah.
Can be, it can have list of list, I don't care, but minimum it should have list.
Not an element, right?
Yeah, not an element. Chalo, ठीक है, unvalid. Because for this we have not defined. Chalo. Okay. One doubt also.
What if the 2 is in a list?
Then what do you think? One last of 2 will just okay. Last of, if I say here, what do you think it will return?
Yes, it will be
2.
2.
Yes, sir. 2.
Just give me a second. How many are saying 2?
Yes, sir. Me.
Sir, me, sir.
Me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so among these students, how many have attended that session? So what is that? Open session and on-demand session.
Me, sir.
Me, sir.
Still
Me,
you are,
sir.
still you are saying this one. So
I,
last,
I think it will be empty, undefined.
Empty.
what do you think? What it will be?
Sir, 2.
Sir, it's empty.
2, no? Last, what it will be? What it will be? Tell me. Who
2, sir. 2.
Invalid, sir. Invalid.
Sir, 2. It will be 2. And the first of that list also becomes 2.
Yeah, it will be 2. If I write here
2 होगा sir. आप कुछ भी कह
rest of this one, I feel right. Again, I'm going
it will
to
be empty list.
This will invalid.
This will
Empty
invalid.
List,
empty.
no, sir, empty list.
Empty. It will remove the first.
Guys, this will be.
This will also
Invalid,
be empty.
No,
This
no,
will also
empty.
be empty, sir.
Guys, please go and watch. Please go and watch. Chalo.
Sir, init function, what will return?
Okay.
Sir, this will invalid.
Init
Sir.
also, sir, init also empty.
Rest of empty will, rest and init of empty will be invalid.
Biswajit, no? Biswajit, no?
Yes, sir.
So these concepts I have explained somewhere. Do you think I have explained somewhere? No.
Sir, actually, I saw it from tutorial video where the instructor Omkar sir explained very well through the pseudocode.
So go, that is what I'm saying. That's why I'm keep telling that go and watch that one. So it's not I'm just writing anything. It's based on some pseudocode actually. Chalo, please go and watch that one. Chalo. Yeah, my one question was there. Like for any condition, if this is true, then what you have done? You have that question is done now. Now I'm assuming something you are telling that if any for this condition is true, it will come inside flag and exit loop. So from where it will exit?
For each.
That's why.
For each.
For each, it will exit from for each.
It will come out from the loop. It will come out from the loop.
Our flow of code. AK 185. What is that name? AK. Okay. So as you, this will be.
I'm sorry, sir. Actually, my name is Asad Khan. It's showing AK 185.
Okay. Please mute. No, if you're
Sure,
talking,
sure.
then it's fine. Yeah. So as you come here, it will exit from where? Where will be my cursor? My flow of code will come. Which line will read?
Answer, direct answer.
Answer, sir.
Yes, it will not read the further. If for any condition, if it is true, it will come inside. Exit loop is there. It will just find the loop, parent loop. Means if it's a loop or what? No. It is one-time execution.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So it will come out from this loop. But where is the closing bracket of this one? Here.
Yes.
So from here it will read further. Okay. Chalo. Next question. So this is the answer actually. Okay. Next question. Chalo. Keep. Yeah. Next question. 3 minutes. Don't talk in between. Chalo. So again, this is the ALE I have given. I want to find the answer. Now this is correct. No, ANS. This is a small. This is also small. Everybody is okay with this now. This time.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Great. Don't talk in between. If you have any doubt, please read question. You will understand. There's nothing, anything. Just keep reading. I will talk after 3 minutes. Please give others time, others to solve the answer question. Chalo, ठीक है.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So here we need to write the data stored in the answer variable. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys are able to see at the left, no? Something is not coming, no? I mean, my right side on a screen, it is fully visible, no?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Last 30 seconds. I'm
Done,
giving
sir.
those who have not answered till now. So out of 78, 50 have only entered the responses. Okay. Okay. So time up, guys. Let me see the response. Okay. 15, 1, 75, 91, 75. So most of the guys have entered 75. Okay. So I think also I might have got 75.
I got, sir, I got the right answer, but I didn't understand while true. I mean, I haven't seen earlier this while and true. So it will be true, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's why you're
I
executing.
also have.
Right.
So while, what is the meaning of that? While
Yes,
true,
sir. While
Yes,
true, what is the meaning?
that's
the
what.
value of true is not initialized state. I mean, where it comes from.
Okay. 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 So I should show the code first. So see, please, guys, how many have not got 75? How many?
Me, sir.
Okay. See.
So me.
Only one.
Me, sir.
Me, sir, also.
Only three. Is it? Guys, only three. Good.
Myself, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So where is the problem for you guys? I will explain what is that true. Where is the problem, guys? I want to just understand where you are stuck. If I am able to understand, you have not understood that concept, then I will try to put.
Sir, mine answer is 135. I think.
Okay. What about others?
Sir, I actually didn't multiply 2 with my answers.
Okay.
Here is the answer variable, so I didn't multiply.
So you might have got correct. You are saying, miss, if you
My
have.
answer is also 130.
Yeah, I might, but
130.
I did this wrong. If I didn't did that, I could get right answer.
Actually, I get confused with the exit loop.
Okay.
When e
So
less than 0, then exit loop.
Okay. So 3 persons have only problem in this. Out of how many students we have?
78.
75 able to understand.
No, sir, no.
So please just speak. No, I'm just I don't know miss how many times. Please just speak. What is your doubt? Then I will understand. Then I will put little bit more focus on that concept so that you will understand. Okay. Yeah. Kranti.
यस सर, मेरी जो अप्रोच थी वो ये थी कि ई अगर 0 के इक्वल है, ई हमारा यहाँ पे 2 बार 0 के इक्वल है, तो हमने उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो 2 into 2 4। ई हमारा अगर 0 से कम है तो ऊपर -1 है और -3 2 बार 0 से कम है तो लूप से बाहर आ जाएंगे, तो आंसर इज इक्वल टू आंसर प्लस ई। तो आंसर हमारा 4 मेरा 4 आंसर था।
Okay. You will understand where you have a. Okay, so I got it. What you say? Others? So only.
Approach actually गलत थी।
Okay, I understood what you were saying. Okay. So 4, only 4. What about other 7? How many we have? 74. Yeah.
I skipped the e equals to first cell part.
One by one. One by one. Anjana, tell me.
Yeah, actually I couldn't get 5. After 10 I went to -1, so my answer was 70 instead of 75.
So up to here you are able to do.
Yeah, actually I couldn't see 5 properly. I went straight way to -1, skipping 5. I couldn't see 5, so I mentioned 70.
Okay. How much did you get the answer then? If you have done that.
70.
Okay. Harsh.
I skipped the e equals to first cell part. That's why my answer was like after every 0, the answer is getting doubled.
So that you have missed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chal. Okay.
Sir,
yeah.
I also at first I added 1 plus 6 plus 3, then multiplied by 2, and then adding 5 plus 5, then again multiplying by 2, then add plus 10 plus 5, and when negative number comes, then I subtracting them from.
It should be exit. Avnish, if you are talking, I mean, yeah, please mute. No. Okay. Yeah. So if you are getting negative at that time, it should have exit. No. So that.
Yes, sir.
Arpita.
So exit loop means we don't further proceed, right?
Yeah, that is what I have said in previous example.
Okay. So
okay.
after -1, we don't have proceed.
Yeah. I will tell. Yeah, I will explain. Just I want to know the where.
Okay, sir. Sir, I got it.
Okay. What about others? Only 7 people have doubt in this.
Yeah, so for me, I took when L is equal to 1, so I took answer is equal to answer plus E. So till 3, I added 1 plus 6 plus 3. And then I multiplied this by 2 when I got 0. Then I added 5 plus 5. Then I multiplied the whole thing with 0. Then I added 10. And then 5. Then for -1, I didn't do anything.
Why did you not do anything? Because this loop, what is that? This if condition, you missed this part. Huh?
It says exit loops.
So exit means once you make it this condition true, you have to come out from this loop. Where is the loop? This loop. So you have to come out, and then you are getting the value of answer at 75. Okay. Yeah, I got it.
We only need to solve till the first -1.
Yeah. So that is the okay. Yeah. Okay. So people have now. Now I understood that people have in exit loop, then some where they are missed where to multiply. So now see, now I have little bit idea what you are able to not understand. Chalo, theek hai. Yeah. So that's why I'm telling. Please keep talking. Otherwise, for me also it is boring. For you also, obviously, if I not clear your doubt where you are stuck in, obviously it will be not useful for you guys because you are coming here for 2 hours. If you are not, your doubt is not clear, so what is the meaning to be here? Okay, 3
Right,
people
sir.
have raised hand. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, who are the guys? Just a minute. Yeah, Aditya, what's your doubt in this?
No, actually, I have some other doubt in practice assignment, so I will ask after the.
Okay. So I can see 3 guys have still unmuted. Why? What is the reason? Please mute yourself if you are not having doubt. Please. Yeah. Chalo. Yeah. So I just explain. Give me 2 minutes or 1 minute. I will explain, and then you guys have a still doubt. Then you will talk. Chalo. So see, you have given a list which has these elements. So what do you think? How many elements are there? I think these are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 elements. No. Okay. So you have 16 elements. Answer you have defined as a 0. I mean, initialize with a 0. While true. So this condition is true. Obviously, you do not have any condition. Nothing is to check. It is true. You have to go inside. That's all. While is there, it's true. It will keep going. Whenever this condition is not satisfied, it will keep going for. I don't know for how many years, but once this condition.
Why, sir? Why you put the true? There must be some meaning of that.
Yeah, just true. I want to execute for each and every case. It will terminate this loop whenever this exit loop is coming into the picture. So that's why.
If we do not, let's say we do not put true there, so what will be the consequences? Like
what if we do not put exit loop?
So it will not
It will
exit.
keep going. It will keep
Yes,
going.
yes.
It will go for indeterminate, means infinite time.
Okay, got it. Sir. Thank you.
Okay, chalo. So as you come here, if you see true, obviously it will come here because you need not to check any condition. This already the final value itself is given is true. Earlier, what it is actually given, like in some of the cases, like you will check if 3 is not equal to 3, then you just check what is the value of this one. So this is false, then you will go inside or something. But here is already it is the value itself is given true. So obviously it will go inside. Now we will check the first one because once it is true, we will be checking these whole things, no, because this is coming inside. So length of L is what? 16. 16 is equal to 0. It's true or false?
False.
It will not go here. Now E is equal to first of L. What is the value of first of L? 1. So you have made it E is equal to 1. Then if E is equal to 0, what is the value of E you have?
False.
And 1 is equal to 0?
False.
No.
Inside. Now this is there. 1 is less than 0?
False.
False. Again. Now answer is equal to answer plus C. What is the value of answer you have?
0.
0 plus 1.
0 plus 1 is equal to 1.
Okay, just yeah. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1.
1.
Now what is the value of L you are going to do? You have
6.
Remove 1. Start from 6.
Just give me a second. So L is equal to raised of L. So raised of L, you will leave the first element and you will keep all the elements. So it will start from the
6 to 43.
Guys, give me just how much time I asked for from you guys? 2 minutes now.
Okay.
Chalo. So this is question number 3. 4 or 3? 4.
4.
Okay. So now you have L is equal to raised of L. So raised of L, what you have done? It will start from 4. It will start from 6, 3, all elements, no, up to 43. People are with me for this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And answer is what? NSW.
1.
Answer is what?
1.
0 plus 1.
Yeah, 0 plus 1. Why 0? Because we have initialized with the 0. Okay? Now 0 plus 1. What is the value of E? We have found E is equal to first of it. So E is equal to first of L. See, for every code we are using these functions. First of it, which is what?
1.
Okay, na? So this is answer 0 plus 1 will be 1. How many have doubt till here? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we are going again. This is true. We are again checking. Length of L is what? Now 1 lane less. So 15. No. So 15 is equal to 0. Is false condition? Not, it will not work. Equal to first of L. So what is the value of E now you have? Tell me. First of L.
6. 1 plus 6, 7.
6.
Oh, sorry, 6.
6.
How many have doubt in this? I E is equal to 6. Guys, those who are not doubt, please mute yourself. I will have. How many have doubt if I write E is equal to 6 now for this line? Everybody is with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Guys, others, please. Miss, I can see only see most of the guy doesn't speak at all. I don't know why. Please speak. No, obviously, if you able to understand, sometimes you should say yes, I'm able to understand. But I want to like so many people are there, but still only few 5 to 10 people are only speaking. ठीक है ना? चलो. Yeah. So E is equal to 6. Anybody is having doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo. Now we are going here. Obviously, E is equal to 0. It's false condition. 6 is not equal is equal to 0. It's a false condition. 6 is less than 0. Is a false condition. Now answer. Answer will be what?
1 plus 6.
1 plus 6.
6.
1 plus
6.
6 will be what?
7.
7. And what you will do? L will be again.
L will be 3 to
43.
How many are with me here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Everybody is okay with this up to here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What will happen here? No. So if it will be 3 when next is coming 3. When E is equal to 3, it will be keep added to the answer, and this will be 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus
7.
which is
7 plus 3, 10.
10. 10, no? Yeah, 7 plus 3 is 10. Now when you come x when you have again came here, and again your length of L will be what? Means 3 elements you have removed, so 13. So 13 is equal to 0. It's a false condition.
False.
E will be what? So when you have this one, you have done
E
4.
will be now 0.
0.
And what is that? E you have how much?
0.
0. And you have made it this one. Just let me write itself. No, I think what is big deal in that? No need to. At least one time I want to do so that people, those who are not talking. So E will be for this one 3. No. So 3. Then this will be 7 plus 3. No.
Yes, sir.
7 plus 3 will be
10.
10. And this will be starting from
0 to
0.
0 comma one more element. Let me write 5.
5.
ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
and E will be now 0 here. Okay. So E, no, let me write. Yeah, E will be 0 here. Now next we are going. Then what will happen? Again it will check true. Yeah, length of L is not 0. E will be 0. You have found what? E is equal to 0 or not? So
Yes,
this is
sir.
Now it's true.
so ANSWER answer will be what you are doing?
2 into 10.
20, sir.
2 into answer.
Answer
2 into 10. No, sir, 10. Yeah.
2 into
10.
10.
10 will be what?
20.
20.
Now we will come here. E is what? 0. Is less than 0?
False. False.
No.
Answer plus E.
20 plus
20 plus 0.
Answer will be 20.
20 plus
20
0.
plus 0.
20 plus 0 will be what?
20.
So do you think what is happening here? Chalo, I just tell you what is happening here. Yeah. So as you come here, 0, whatever you have added to the answer, it will be doubled. So 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10 into, because of this, guys, you made it
20.
10. Now 20, next element 5, then 25, then next 30.
30.
Again it will come
60.
This will make it 60. Now
60.
60.
70.
75.
25. Now when E is become 1,
We will exit from loop.
it will be -1. So I'm doing for this one. Just a minute. So when okay, what is that style? I don't know about the style. So you have answer is equal to
75.
75 in previous, and E will be now what do you have? E is equal to
-1.
-1.
-1.
and E will be now it is checking. E is equal to 0. So 1 is one is not equal to 0. It's false condition. Now it will come. 1 is less than 0.
Yes, sir.
Condition.
Yes,
So this is the exit loop. So what exit loop do? We just check the parent loop. So if is not if is not a loop, if it's just a one-time execution, so exit it will find. So this is the loop actually. So it will check this one, and where is the closing bracket of this one? Here. Right? So it will just our flow of code will come here. Miss Ashraf, mute Ashraf, please. Yeah. So as you reach here, it will just try to find the where is the parent loop. So this is the loop. As you come here, check here. So where is the opening? Opening is you will easily find out. Closing bracket. So this is the closing. So it will come here without reading the further elements like 2, 4, 1, 10, minus 3, because it has just come out from this loop. Then your iteration will be not happening because you have just come out from this loop. So that's why your answer will remain 75. Okay? Anybody
Yes,
else?
sir. Yes, sir.
And sir, at the end of this code, the value of L will be 5 minus 1 and up to 43.
So your L will be remain up to here.
No, sir, 5 also included, no?
Five. So L will be this will be, no? So let me write here.
-1 also included.
Yeah.
Yes, 5 minus 1, 2, 4.
L will be this minus. No, 5 will be not included, no? Because we have made it.
No, sir, because no, sir, it must be included because
no, you have
we are not executing the.
So you have okay. No, you have already added, no? Just a minute. Let me check.
Yeah.
You have added, no? You have added, then you have find the L, no? See, 75 you have added here, no? 60 plus 7 plus 75. So as you come here, you have made a rest of L. You have made it, and that will be what from -1.
-1 to 43.
-1.
Okay, all right.
2, comma 43, no? And then it will go here. Obviously, it will after that. No. So as you come here, you will no correct. So this will be 5 only.
Yes.
No, just let me.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
It will
5 will not include.
Sir, after exit loop, we don't care
yes.
now, sir.
Yeah, so
we don't care about.
Yeah, so actually in previous itself 5 we have done, and then once you come here, L is there. Then you will go here again. You will check this
because we are considering E for the first of L. Yes.
Now you will check E is equal to So E is equal to first of L is what
-1.
-1.
Then
Yes,
you
sir,
check here, and then it will be that. So L will be remain this guy. Okay.
Yes.
Guys, agree? No, what he was asking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even though if it's valid, then what will be the L remained? Yes, even though exit loop is there, so it will just contain the value from the previous iteration itself, because it will not reach further here. It will just.
We don't care now, sir, because we exit.
Yes, sir.
What?
We don't care after that. We exit.
Yeah. We don't care. It's true, but we just want to cross check our concept. What it will be there. Okay. Chalo. Now we have next question. What is that? Yeah. So see, I have a good explanation. Like, see, before hitting the zero value, the first zero value, you will have answer is 10. 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10. When we hit the first zero, the value of answer will become 2 into 10. So 20. No. Then when you will come before hitting the second zero, so this zero, the value of answer will be 30. And as you hit the value of 0, your 30 will be 2 times 60. Okay? And before hitting the first negative value, answer value will be 75. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's the answer. Chalo, you have a next problem, and I just tell you the same thing. This is the problem. Create is there. You have to find the value from this procedure. Value of L will come from here. So this is actually end create. Okay? This is might is not visible, no? Guys, this one my cursor is. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
end
yes, sir.
end create. So nothing is not any hiding any information, but this is just an end create. So this is a create function procedure. This is the end create. So whatever happening inside, that will be the depending on the value of s, what it will be. So that will be returned to the L, and whole things will be executed once you get the value of L from the procedure create. So now try to find the value of answer, what it will be. And I gave you 3 minutes for this one. Chalo. Please don't talk in between. Now, if you have doubt in anything related to problem, just let me know. Do you have any doubt? No, na? Chalo then.
No, sir.
Yeah, please mute yourself and try to answer. Okay, chalo.
Sir, I have a doubt in question. Can I ask?
No. So try to see. Nothing is there. Create is there. You have this create
No,
function.
sir, question in I, in the L is equal to I. I is not a list, no? So how come?
Where is I's list?
I is not a list. So we are, I is equal to 1, right?
Yeah. So
and here we are.
Yeah, Aditya, try to think. This question is correct. I'm telling you. Just try to think yourself. Okay. This is correct. Yeah.
Okay, guys, time is up. Do you want more time, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir, few more minutes.
sir, please.
Sir, few more minutes.
Yes, sir. 2 more minutes.
Okay. So I'm giving 1 minute more. And please try to solve, guys. Those who are just watching, it will be not good. Like if you try to solve, it will be good for you guys. Do you still want more time?
Yes, sir.
Sir, few minutes more, please.
Okay. What about others? Done? Na?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay.
1 more minute.
Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's
Sir,
done?
no, sir. More time, sir. Please.
Okay. So last 1 minute then.
Done, sir.
I can see only 23 response out of 78. What is that? What is that? How come 78 people have joined out of 23 and I have only 75 students?
Done.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. What to do? Is it done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So obviously I have given more than 5 minutes for this one. Okay. So please enter your response. I give another 10 seconds to enter your response. Out of 28, I just got 26. 33% response I got. Make it at least 60. Okay, only one. Is it tough, this one?
Interesting.
Yes, sir. It's a lengthy one, sir.
It's a not lengthy. It's a not lengthy. I will, if I show them, it will.
It took time to take out the L value.
Guys, please.
Finding the L, it is easy.
Okay, finding L is easy. After that,
After that,
you have to arrange something.
Yes, sir. Arrangement of the elements.
Please mute.
Yeah, guys, these are like, yeah, chalo. Yeah. So only 29, guys. What happened? See, only it's 30. So I have 48 more. So 48 students. What do you think? Should I give more time, or you guys just said that yeah, I'm done. I'm not going to solve this one. What do you say?
I'm done.
Just give up.
Sir, do I need to use the sum of AP series?
That is also not required if you see the answer. Chalo. So answer is actually, what is that? Oh my god, 2600. Okay, 50. Okay, 190 minus 50, 50. So I also think 50 is correct one. Yeah, 50. Okay. How many have got 50?
Yes, sir. Me.
Me, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
3, 4. How many? 4. Then
For me.
Ankur. Then only
Myself,
4.
sir.
Yes, sir. Even I got 50.
Madhu.
Sir, I gave up after a while.
Pratyush. Oh, you also got 50?
No, sir. Like the calculation part, I gave up at that point.
Okay.
Actually, 2600 is my answer.
Yes, sir. In this
Yeah, sir.
question,
I was getting some thousand above one, sir. So I gave up.
So only 6 students.
Actually, I used the sum of AP series.
Okay.
That's why
My question is, how many have got 50?
Yes.
So 6
me also.
other than 6.
Me, sir.
Sakshi. Okay.
I don't get.
I
50.
got 50, sir.
Okay. Siddharth also.
Me, sir.
Jitendra also. Oh, yeah, Jitendra, Siddharth, Sakshi,
Me, sir.
Deepa.
मेरा भी 50 है but I don't know कैसे आया.
Yes, sir. Me also.
Shubham, Kranti. Okay. Okay. So now I am hearing some different name also. Like, yeah, they are also speaking. So who, I think according to me, Deepa spoke first time. Is it correct?
No, sir. I spoke earlier also in on-demand session.
Oh, okay, Deepa. Then others? Chalo. Okay, so how many have got at least this one?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Got
sir.
it. Got it, sir.
Got it.
Got it.
Yes, I got this.
Okay,
Yes, sir. I got it.
okay. So I put in other way. How many have didn't get this one L?
Me, sir. Me.
Okay, Sarvendu.
Sir.
One by one. Sarvendu, Shubham. Next,
Yes,
Me, sir.
Biswajit. ठीक है. So 3 people only.
Sir, I got
Sir,
the L,
sir.
but
Okay, my question is only L.
Sir,
Go there.
I got the L, but only 3124.
I also didn't get it, sir.
Yes,
this
sir.
L, this
I
L
didn't
will
get the
have,
whole from 99 to 100. I just get 3124.
My question was clear to you guys.
yes,
How many have got L like this?
me.
Yes, sir.
Me,
Got
sir.
it.
Okay, how many have not got?
No, sir.
Me, sir.
No, sir.
Me, sir.
Sir, I didn't got
Okay.
like this.
Okay, so see what it is happening here, no? So before executing, I mean, you have to find the value of L. That's why I'm just going to show this part of the code, how you will get the value of L. Okay, chalo. So procedure create is there. L is empty. I you have initialized with 1. Flag is true. Y. I. What is the value of I you have?
1.
1.
My screen is visual.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And my tab. So
Yes, sir,
next question, we are going to next page. This is question number 4.
5.
Then you have what is there? I have initialized as a 1. Sorry. Okay. Guys, please mute. I'm hearing background noise. Please mute. Avnish and Shubham. Please mute. No, if I'm requesting you to mute, you should mute. No, it creates a noise for others. No? If you have doubt, I will obviously let you to speak. Chalo. Flag is true. Why? What is the value of 5? 1. 1 is less than equal to 100. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Obviously, you will go inside and again you will check what is the value of flag you have initially.
True.
True. Will it go inside?
Yes.
Yes. L will be what? I. What is I you have?
1.
Plus plus L. What do you have L?
Empty.
Empty.
Will be what?
1.
Agree? And what do you have
Yes,
done? Flag. Flag is?
False.
Sorry. Flag you have made it false. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
One small question, sir. Sir, one small question, sir.
Tell me.
Like suppose if we are going to append, so I is equal to 1. If we write left side, it will means the values in the final list will depend on the position of I, or it will go like after the end of the.
Okay. So you will understand when I do for the next time. For the next just okay. So if this is true, where will we are going to the read next? Where will we have a flow of code? We have read
I
this.
equal to I plus 1.
It will not go to the else part now because we have this condition is true. So it will keep this part and we will come here I is equal to I plus 1. So what you will do? I is equal to I plus 1. What is that? 2. Agree? Now
Yes, sir.
This is the closing bracket of which one? While. So for coming out of this one, you have to make it false. But what is the value I you have? 2. 2 is less than equal to 100. It's a true. Then again I have to go inside. Okay? Again, what is the value of flag you have?
False.
False. Will it go inside? This
No.
So if this is false, where will it go? Else part.
Else.
Okay, na? So else
Yes,
part
sir.
L will be what? L will be
1.
What is the L you have?
1.
L as 1.
And I. Sorry, I is 2, no? Sorry.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. 2.
What it will be?
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Okay.
Yes,
Now, again, what you have done? Tell me.
Lag will be true.
My A always comes before A. I don't know why. So now true. Again, where will go? Now I is equal to I
I
plus
plus 1.
and this will be I is equal to 3. Okay. Now come here. So 3 again, this is closing bracket. I will come here. 3 is less than equal to 100. True or false?
True.
True.
It will come inside. And what is that? If flag. Flag is what?
True.
It will come here and the L will be I. What is that I you have?
3.
1.
1.
This will be what?
3,
1, 2, 3.
3, 1, 2. Now someone have asked how to add this, append this if you are writing I with the list.
No, sir. Yeah, I'm clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now again you have came here and what it will be? Flag you have made it false. Obviously it will not go here because this is true. It will come I and what will be I you have? I will be 4. So now can you see that something is happening whenever you have odd number you are appending left side and when you have even number you are appending
Right side.
right side. Agree?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I wrote this one. Okay. So even number 2, 2, 4, 90 means it will be 6, 8, 10 like that it will be, and from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that it will be up to 99. So this whole will be here 50 here and this from here total 50 numbers will be here. No, understand? 50 odd and 50 even numbers are there,
Yes,
no? From 1 to 100.
Yes, sir.
Agree? So any
Yes.
doubt in L, calculating L?
No, sir.
Everybody is agree?
Yes, agree,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me, Shubham.
Sir, I got this, sir, 3124, and I also understood the pattern. But sir, I was unable to figure out what will the first element for list.
What do you think?
99 and 100.
So what do you think first of L will be here?
So now it's 99, but
yeah. So obviously
I was unable to figure out how.
So, see, if you have figured out the pattern, so obviously the all odd numbers you are appending through the leftward direction, and for all even number you have to append towards rightward direction. So what is there? So obviously last up to where it will go 99, and this will last element will be 100. What is doubt in this? Understood? No, what is happening here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Chalo. Everybody, how many have not understood this one? Everybody.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yes, I understood.
Sir, got it.
Chalo then. Now we have this guy, the main part of the pseudocode. Okay? Chalo. You got the value of L, which is written here. J is equal to what? 0. Answer 0. For each x in L, what is the value of x if you go first time in L?
99.
99. So if what is the value of J you have?
0.
0 is and 50.
Yes.
True, no? So answer is equal to answer minus
99.
What is there? It not to understand. Let me. Where is my thing? Yeah, this is the. Yeah. So now we have come here and we have made it J is equal to 0. Okay.
0.
Answer will be 0. You have. As you go first time, what is the value of x you have?
99.
99, no?
Yes, sir.
If we are checking, if J is less than, what is the value of J you have? 0.
0. Yes.
Less than 50.
Yes, sir.
True, no?
Yes, sir.
True. Where it will go? Answer may. Answer will be ANS. WR answer will be
0 minus.
So 0 minus
99.
99.
It will be
Minus
99.
Then obviously will it go here?
No.
Else part.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now we will increase the value of J. J will be what? 1. Now again it will come. What is the value of X next you have?
97.
7. Okay. Why? How come 97? This is the guy, no? 97. Hana?
Yes,
97, 99, 97. Now we have 97. Then again you will go. And J is what? 1 is less than 50. Is true or false?
True.
Okay, this guy. Let me copy. This guy, these things I'm writing on the pad. It's fine for you. I'm just wasting my time. It's what do you think? I mean,
No, sir, it's fine. It gives more clarity.
It's useful.
Yeah. So now you have this one. Answer is you have
Minus 99.
minus message. Answer minus x. So answer minus x is what? 97. 97. Just some you can do here itself, or it's not required. 97. Okay. 99 minus 97. Agree? So it will go up to where? It will go up
to 1.
Up to?
Yes, sir. Up to 1.
1.
All the odd numbers will be subtracted.
J will go up to 49.
49 up to 49.
And 0 to 49 is 50. I mean, 50 times it goes.
I is the 50th element. So how come we are subtracting it?
I is the
50th element of the list.
I no, so J is just starting with the 0, no? J started with 0. So if J it comes 49, so we have these up to these elements. Agree?
Yes, sir. I got 50 to that, sir.
So J started with 0. So up to here it will be like this. Once it comes J is equal to 50. If once J becomes 50, obviously this is false. You will read actually the this one 50 first element.
Yes,
because I was started. Yes, sir. Fahed Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
I think I am hearing background noise from your side. No, is it from your side?
Can be, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
I just getting things are now understood why one is included in negative.
Why background noise is coming from your side?
I am at home right now and some relatives are here. So
Okay. No, sure. Chalo. Yeah. So now we understood. So when you will come up to this 50, less than 50 means J started with 0. So you have read all the 50 elements. No, when J will come 49. So up to there it is true. Up to J is equal to 49. Agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
But you have read all 50 elements because J started with 0. So you have read this one and you have made it minus 99, minus 97, minus 3, minus 1, like that. Okay, na? So once it becomes J is equal to 50, because you will add, and this is false. Again, what you will answer is equal to answer plus 1. So whatever you will have, now you are keep adding the plus 2, plus 4, 90 up to 100. Okay, na? So on rearranging, I have just rearranged. So what I have done, 100 minus 99, 98 minus 97, that I have arranged, and this gives the 50. Did I do anything?
So,
Tell me.
so when J is equal to 1, I is equal to 99.
No, when J is equal to I, where is I?
The elements in L, X, sorry.
No. So where is I here? I don't get it. I mean, see, J you have.
I did not understand what J is.
So J you have initialized with what? This
A
is
0.
0. Now for each X, so what is the value of X you have when you go first time?
99.
99. If J, what is the value of J you have?
A 0.
0. 0 is less than 50.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what you have done? Answer is equal to answer minus
99.
So 0 minus 99. This one you have done.
Yes, sir.
So only this one. Now obviously it will not go to the else part. Again, now we have made what? J is equal to J plus 1. So J is initially what? 0 plus 1 will be 1. It will come here again. Again, what is the value of X you have? Next.
1. 99.
X, no. So we are reading X for this list L.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Different. So J is 1 here, and now you are reading the second element. So when J is 1, you are reading second element. So when J is 49, you are reading the 50th element. No, see when J is understood. No, so when J will have 99, which one you will read?
Else part. Else part.
Else part, but you will read the 100 element.
Yes.
And that after that we do not have any element in X because we have read all them. Okay?
Yes.
That's why on array.
Sir, J will be incremented up to 101 or 100.
99.
No, sir. I think it will go up to 101.
So when
no 99.
Start from 0.
So when J will be 90,
start from 0.
J will be 99. No, J will be 100.
Yeah, sir, got it.
Because at that time X you will not have, because after reading the 100th element of this
sir,
one,
actually J will be incremented 101 times. And it starts from 0.
No. So see what it is happening. So when J is equal to 0, you are reading the first element. Okay? When J is equal to 1, you are reading the second element. Okay? Understood? When J will have a 99, you will read the
100th element.
When J is equal to 100, then you will check where any X is there or not in L. You will not have, so you will stop that. So J will be 100. No.
Sir, I think he is saying right, sir. J will incremented. He is saying that 101 times.
Then not 100. So because obviously in numbers it will be 100.
101 times, yes.
But since J started with 0, so obviously J, the value of J will be 100 only, no?
Yes, sir, 100. It will
the value will 1, but it will incremented as 101 times.
It will be incremented
with 0.
Listen. Okay.
Sir, from 0 to 99.
Yeah,
it will be 100 times.
Let me speak now. 1 minute, please.
Okay, okay.
So when you have J is equal to 0, you are reading the first element. Agree?
Yes.
When J is equal to 1, you are reading the
second element.
When J is equal to 3, you will read the Sorry,
Second.
when j is equal to 2, you will read the third element.
Yes.
Yes.
When j is equal to 99, you will read
100 element.
Okay. Now when j is equal to 100, when you will read the next element, but next you do not have, so it will terminate the loop. So j will be 100.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Agree everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay, then last question. Chalo.
Sir, it is like.
Okay, I am giving 5 minutes. Otherwise, if you do not want to solve, it's not my loss.
No, sir. 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Sir, at least 10 minutes.
At least 10 minutes, I
Okay.
think.
Wait. Let me make you understand this pseudocode. So this is your main pseudocode in which you have two procedures. Obviously, so you have L is equal to create. Again, the value of L will be coming from this procedure. L is equal to create and create. Okay, return value.
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
have
sir.
another procedure. What is that? F which is here. This is can you see the answer will be F and you have P. Okay. So P will so this will be I will input as a P as a list which will come here and you will execute this one. So procedure F L is there full and end F that is there. So this is whatever the hidden here is end F Okay. So you have this one. I am asking what is the value of answer and answer will be return value of F Okay. Procedure. Okay. Now don't talk. Please go read line by line. First try to find the value of fail. If you are able to reach, then half of the things are done. Chalo, ठीक है. Even though I am also muting myself, please mute everyone. Okay, if you are not muting, I'm muting. Okay, so chalo, go through that question and try to solve. I'm just muting. Chalo, ठीक है. How many are able to get the value of L? Still finding?
Sir, few more minutes.
Yes, got the L, but
What the
I am
value
fine.
of L and
Okay. Just
finding
to know from you guys are working or simply sitting. That's why I wanted to check.
the
So what is index over here?
So index is just a variable we have defined, which is 0. It is initialized with 0, so it's just an integer data type. Okay.
Okay.
What is the status, guys? It's done?
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
I got
one
my
is
answer,
done.
but I'm not sure it's right or wrong.
I gave the answer, but I also don't know whether it's right.
Okay. How many are actually trying and how many are simply?
I am, sir.
I'm
A
trying,
few
sir.
moments. A few
I'm
moments.
trying also, sir.
Okay. It's a good to try, no? I think. Yeah. Okay. So next 1 minute, I'm just giving.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
In procedure full FOO,
Mhm.
there is if not x is equal to 0 means if x is equal to 0 becomes true, this not will it will make it false, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
so the last line in the full procedure is not clearly visible.
So it is just the end of F double. Like here, end create is there. The same end F double O.
Okay.
Sir, this second procedure will give a list, na? Sir.
Do you think return? So what do you think it will return? List or integer value? It is returning x, man, and 0. So obviously it will return some integer value. Chalo. Yeah. So time is up, guys. How many have 14 response?
Sir, 1 more minute, please.
Okay, last one. So now session is up to 10:30. People will say that and they are wasting my time. Actually, it should be finished by 10 o'clock itself.
No, sir.
No, sir, if it is, we are not getting, then we should learn, no? Why it is?
Sir, it is worth it.
Okay, okay. Then I will also enjoy to extend the session.
Sir, my L value is coming 0, 0, 0, 0.
Yes, my 0, 0, 0, 10, 10, then 0,
Yes,
0,
sir.
0,
Till
then
then 0,
15,
0, 0. Sir,
then
I am
0,
still
0.
finding the L value.
So if I'm not wrong,
I'm
the
stuck on
answer
it.
is
One by one.
just
One.
yes. If I'm not wrong, the answer is just a play with the order of values in the field.
Yeah, also.
Yeah, from here it will come return value. No? So
Yes.
okay, last 15 second.
Yes, sir. Done.
Last 15 second, guys. How many are enjoying this session or just boring?
No, sir, when it
Enjoying,
was
sir.
Enjoying, sir.
Enjoying, sir.
Question is very interesting, sir.
Enjoying, sir.
It will clear. I think your all of doubts if go through these sessions. No, list.
Last two questions did so.
Sir, going
This
through big
question is very
question.
interesting.
Okay.
Sir, when you are explaining, it's I'm enjoying.
Okay.
Sir, when we go through the long question, the advantage is we get a small doubt clear. So that is the advantage of doing.
Okay. Chalo then. Done for. Okay. Chalo. So responses, yeah, 90. Oh, how come 3 answers? 90, 90, 10. Okay. 10, 90, 10, 90, 10, 90. Okay. Oh my God. These many answers. Nice. Okay. So according to me, 90.
Yes.
So they got 90. Yeah. So see what it is happening. L, how many have got L like this? So what, just let me explain. What
Yes,
is
sir. Got the same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I got,
Got
sir.
it,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Got it.
I got, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Give me 30 seconds. Will you allow me to speak? Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, up to here, up to 10 values, you will have 0. At 11th place, you will have 10. How? You just check it. So you have procedure this L is empty, I is equal to 0. Since I have started initialize I with 0, obviously. Chalo. 0 is less than 100. It's true. If I is equal to 0, then you are appending I. Otherwise, it will go to the else part. So this OR condition is there. See, what do you think? If any one of the condition is true, it will go here. Agree, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Agree.
Yes.
Truth table is okay for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Can you think like if I is equal to 9, 9 is less than 100, it will not go inside, it will come here. So L will be L plus 0. So up to I is equal to 9, this will be how many zeros we will have? 10 or
10
no?
zeros.
10, no?
10
Because
zeros.
at I is equal to 0, no? So since we have started I is equal to 0, so when I is equal to 9, we have appended L to 0
10
with
0.
10 numbers. Hai? Now when it come I is equal to 10.
11, 10.
So when obviously 10 is less than 100, obviously it's true. I is equal to 10. So obviously I is equal to 10. Will it check further? Because this is associated with OR condition. So it will, one of the condition is true, it will simply go here. So L is equal to L plus I. So 0, 0, 0, 10, 0 ke baad you have 1 10. Okay? So this is at 11th place. Okay? Same
Yes,
thing
sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
When it will come for 50, I is equal to, which is actually 51st position of this list. And when you have 90, we have 91 position.
91 position.
ठीक है ना? चलो.
Yes.
So how many you have here?
Yes, sir.
100
Yes.
elements.
Yes,
Sir, I found the L, but this concept position I didn't.
Yeah. So how many you have 0 after this 90? 9 or 10? 9, no? Because
Nine.
100.
Yes, sir. 9.
9.
9, 9.
9.
Chalo. Everybody is okay with L. Hey, anybody is having issue with L?
No,
Any?
sir.
No, sir.
No,
Everybody
sir.
is with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now we are going to this guy. Okay, so you have L this one. Now L you have got I is equal to 10, J is equal to 90, EI is equal to 0, EJ is equal to 0, left, middle, right, P, index. This all we have initialized some value. Okay, this all are empty list, index 0. Okay, now we are going through for each X in A. So what is the value of X you have when you go first time?
0.
0.
0. Index is what? 0. Okay. So 0 is less than 0. It's a true or false condition?
False.
It will not go inside. Now index.
0 is less than 10. So
Yes, sir.
I
0 is less than 10.
Sorry.
I
It is 10. Obviously. Sorry. My bad. Yeah. So 0 is less than 10. Obviously, it will go inside. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. So 0 is less than 10. Left will be left plus 6. So you will have 0, 1 element. So initially, we have initialized with empty list. So it will be initially 1 0 element. But we have one element in which that is 0. Okay. Index is 0 is equal to 10. It's a false condition. So it will be not true for other condition. No? Index J you have 90, then 0 is greater than 9. What is that? 90 is false condition. Then you will make it index is equal to 0 plus 1, 1. Okay? Now again, X you have X, again 0.
0.
Okay? So again, index you have initialized is 0. So see, for all less than 10 values,
10.
left will be all the 10 elements of L will be added. First 10 elements. So first 10 elements are what? 0, no?
0.
0. Yes.
0. 10 zeros in this. Okay?
Yes.
Once EI once index becomes 10, obviously 10 is less than 10. It's false condition.
False. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Index 10 is equal to 10.
Now it's true, sir. Yeah.
Now EI we will make it 10. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Index is 10 is greater than 10. It's false condition.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
10 is greater equal to 90. False condition, false. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we will make it 11. Okay?
Yeah, index 11.
Now 11. 11 is less than 10.
False.
False. 11 is equal to 10. False.
False.
11 is greater than 10. True.
True.
And is just a set. So it should also true this one then.
True.
Go inside. So 10 is less than 90.
Yes, sir. True.
It will go and middle will be this one. So it will go up to where? Must 90. I must say index will be what? Index if it is less than 90 up to here.
Then index will be 90.
Yeah, up to where? Up to this element, no?
Yes, sir.
See, this part will be appended to a list left. This will be EI and middle will be from here to here. Guys. So
Yes,
this
sir. Yes, sir.
part will
Yes,
go.
sir. Understood.
And then same thing. EJ will be
90.
90.
Then EJ will be 90 and right will be all 9 zeros here.
0.
Now what we have done? P is equal to left plus EJ. So left is what? This one. All 10 zeros. All 10 zeros. EJ what you had? 90. So you
90.
have first you have made it list. EJ was actually an element, was an integer. You made it first list and then you appended. So first 10 zeros, then 90, then middle is these elements from here to here. Okay? These elements. And then EI again, EI is 10, and then right all 10 elements. Like that you have done, no? P you got, everybody got what, how P is we are calculating. You have to just
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
then you have this procedure F00. Now you have sent this guy to here. Now L will be what? P, because whatever the value you have, it will be copied to L, no? So L will be P.
Yes, sir.
Now check here. For each X in L, what is the value of X initially if you go inside? 0?
0.
So if not, X is what? 0. So let me write this one actually. So this is actually negation. So that's why. So this is for question number 6, sir.
6.
And
Question
what we are
number
checking?
5.
If not X, what is the value of X? You have 0. equal to 0. That is what, no, initially if you go inside, what we are checking. So it will be so. So if not, what is that? 0 is equal to 0. Is true or false condition?
False condition.
True, no?
The whole is false and 0 is equal to 0 is.
Now this is false. Not true means
Now this is false.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
ठीक है?
Not true is equal to false.
ठीक है? So obviously it will not go inside. ठीक है? Not go inside. Then again it will go for the another element. So for all 0, do you think this will be executed? No, na?
No.
Once you reach x is equal to 90, chalo, 90 we went here. 90 is equal to 0. It's a true or false condition?
False. False.
True.
False.
Okay, wait. Not so. This is 90 is equal to 0 is a false
condition.
Okay, what we are checking here. So when we reach x is equal to 90, so if, let me write this guy at least, Control C, so that I need not to write again. So this is 90 we are checking. So 90 is equal to true or false?
False.
False. So this is not false means
True.
True.
okay. So it is true, then where will go? It will
Return X.
Return X.
Will return X.
90. It will return
Yes.
X, and that will be a store to where you have, what is that?
FO.
Yeah.
O.
Answer, no? Answer will be FOOP. So this is answer will be return X. Return X will be 90, no? So that will be value
Yes,
of answer will be 90. And after that, do you think it will, once you go, it will not read further elements, no? Because from here itself you have just come out from this procedure. So the value of answer will be 90. Any doubt?
No,
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Like I
sir.
told, so it is just
Yeah,
a
so
game for the order of elements.
So one suggestion is that please go and solve one more time. Actually, I will share the link of a student test activity question for this one. So please go through one more time, even though if you are solved, try to solve. At least if you understand. See, in this only understanding is required. You need not to write each and everything. Once you understand how many zeros, how many after how many 0, 50 will be there. If you understand that one, that is only required. Okay?
Yes.
And these are actually concept building for this exit, then list, then you have loop. This where you are breaking, means when you are coming out from the given procedure, like that. Okay. So this is for today. Enjoy.
One
Sir, what will be use of the second last line to return 0?
So it will be not, it will not come here. Once you read all and for all the condition, this is overall is false. Then once this will come here and then you will return 0. But that situation is not coming here. For the 90 itself, this is executed. Overall, this is true and it will return 90. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
So from where we can get more question like this, sir?
More question you will you do, and see whatever the question practice, and I think these type of question you want more.
Yes, sir, for practice purpose, sir.
Any website or anything where we can get the same question.
No,
Sir, these type of questions are not even in graded assignments.
Yeah.
Why,
Because
sir?
because this will little take more time, and this
Okay.
is, yeah, and also this is like little bit lengthy in the sense, but obviously concepts are there. We wanted to ask in a short pseudo code, but do you think that if I write this whole pseudo code in one page, which is that, will you think how many times you have to scroll down the
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we wanted to ask some concept in a small code. We want to write little smaller code so that you will understand. If you look at the first time in the problem in examination, do you think I will be going to answer this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now, before session, I think that I solved grade assignment. I know many things. Now I'm like, I don't know anything.
No, please. That's why I'm telling you. One time it is okay, but you go one more time. I will try to see. These are, we will not find anywhere because this is the first time we have introduced. Understand? So
Okay,
you will
okay.
not find anywhere. I will try to create some question. I will do some modification here. And what is there? You just also play with this one. No? You just do something, a random change and do something greater than less than. So you try to play with yourself these questions. Okay. I will give some questions just to practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Then
Okay, sir.
yeah, week 5. Just let me save this data. Week 5. This is
May
what is that?
22.
May.
June.
जून
sir.
अभी तक मई में कौन है सर?
No, so this is for May batch, no?
Okay.
Oh,
Chalo then. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good
Thank you,
night.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Sir,
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Good night, guys.
sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
sir, are you there? Sir?
Yeah, I'm going to leave the session.
So I just wanted to talk to you about something.
Okay. Yeah.
So sir, I just gave my class 12th board exams and I enrolled in this program.
Mhm.
And I'm trying to, I'm giving entrances for economics honors and computer science engineering. So
Mhm.
which one do you recommend to pursue along with this?
So it totally depends on your interest, which one you like most. Because if you do not have interest in that particular area, then you won't enjoy. So first you should be the person knowing that which area you want to work. We can only tell, yeah, if you are going to choose this one, then I will tell them what can you do, what things to do better in that. Okay. So what's your name?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. So you which economics and computer science you told, no?
Yes, sir.
So which one you like most? I mean, according to you, I mean.
So I couldn't choose, so I've applied for both.
Okay, but what personally, if I want to ask, then which one you like most?
I'm more inclined towards maths.
So in maths, I think then you go to then computer science, because in mathematics a lot of things are used in mathematics, like graph theory. Economics, I don't think so. Maths is there, but also if you go to derive some model and that, also there is that. But mathematics is more used in computer science. Yeah. Yeah, so my thing, like if you go for computer science, I mean, I'll say if you want towards to the mathematics, then okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, my last question, sir, if you can attend.
Tell me what tell me first. I have to go for dinner, man. Tell me.
Okay, sir, go for that.
What is it related to course or some?
No, it's for journal, just journal. So I will ask another time.
Okay, so we'll conduct some on-demand session. Then keep writing your question. I
Sir,
will answer that one.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
Jitendra.
my question is related to that course only. Sir, in the graded assignment, I just need one general help, sir.
What did assignment? Tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
in sir, in question, sir, in question 3, sir, when procedure is doing in procedure, like it is written new list is equal to x. So this new list is equal to x. This x is the n, but is given as a list of 50 positive integers. We have to do procedure on this list.
Yes. Yes. Which question number you are talking about? Which, question number? Week 5, no? Graded assignment.
Week 5 gradation.
Yeah, so it is given what will be the value of count and v in some list in. Yeah, what is there in that? What is new list is x. X
Like
is x. You have another procedure.
X is,
yeah.
So we have to do this procedure on this n.
Yeah, n is you have, yeah, n is there. Yes, input is given n. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.
Sir,
Anyway, okay, we'll ask later.
Okay.
sir, I have the doubt in the palindrome one question.
Yeah, I have explained that one. Now, please watch that lecture, no, on demand session one. I have explained that one question.
Sir, last on demand session.
Open session also I have explained, and on demand session also I have explained. I have link I have also shared in Telegram. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.